Gardening is a wonderful way to connect with nature, relax, and create something beautiful. Whether you're just starting out or have been gardening for years, having the right tools can make all the difference. The right tools not only make gardening easier, but also more fun and satisfying. In this video, we'll explore the 10 essential tools every gardener needs to turn their green space into a thriving paradise. Let's get started on making your gardening dreams come true. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 10. Hand trowel. A hand trowel is indispensable for any gardener. It is perfect for planting, transplanting, and digging small holes. The trowel's small, pointed blade makes it easy to work in tight spaces and around delicate plants. Look for a trowel with a comfortable ergonomic handle to reduce hand strain during prolonged use. A stainless steel blade is ideal as it resists rust and stays sharp longer. When using a hand trowel, always dig into moistened soil to make the task easier and prevent damage to the tool. Number 9. Pruning shears. Pruning shears, also known as secateurs, are essential for maintaining plant health by removing dead or overgrown branches. Quality pruning shears should have sharp, durable blades that make clean cuts, reducing the risk of plant disease. There are two main types: bypass and anvil. Bypass shears are better for live plants, making precise cuts, while anvil shears are suited for dead wood. Ensure the handles are comfortable and possibly cushioned to prevent blisters. Regularly clean and oil the blades to maintain their effectiveness. Number 8. Garden fork. In addition to turning compost and aerating beds, a garden fork is a great tool for breaking up soil that has become compacted. The robust tines of this tool are able to penetrate the earth more effectively than a spade, particularly in soils that are dense. Better leverage and less strain can be achieved by selecting a fork that has a sturdy structure and a grip that is comfortable to use. Because they are resistant to corrosion and long-lasting, tines made of stainless steel are the material of choice. Maintaining a consistent pressure while using a garden fork can prevent the tines from becoming bent, which will result in the fork lasting longer. Number 7. Watering can. For accurate watering, a good watering can is absolutely necessary, particularly for plants that are grown in containers and seedlings. Find a container that has a long spout that allows you to easily reach the base of plants and a rose that can be removed to accommodate a variety of watering requirements. Carrying and pouring are both made simpler by a design that is well balanced. Cans made of plastic are not only lightweight but also resistant to rust, whereas cans made of metal are more durable. To prevent the soil from being disturbed or young plants from being damaged, use the rose attachment to water the plants in a delicate manner. Number 6. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is essential for transporting soil, compost, plants, and other materials around your garden. It saves time and reduces physical strain. Choose a wheelbarrow with a sturdy frame and a durable, rust-resistant tub. Pneumatic tires provide better maneuverability on uneven terrain. When loading a wheelbarrow, distribute the weight evenly to prevent tipping and make it easier to push. Regularly check the tire pressure and clean the tub to prolong its lifespan. Beyond basic gardening tasks, wheelbarrows are invaluable for larger construction and maintenance projects within the garden. They can transport materials like bricks, pavers, or lumber for building raised beds, pathways, or garden structures. Additionally, wheelbarrows are used to carry tools and equipment needed for tasks, such as installing irrigation systems, laying gravel paths, or constructing garden fences. Number 5. Garden gloves. Garden gloves protect your hands from thorns, splinters, and soil while providing a better grip on tools. Choose gloves made from durable, breathable material like leather or reinforced fabric. Ensure they fit well to maintain dexterity. Some gloves come with added features like waterproofing or extra padding for added protection. Regularly clean your gloves according to the manufacturer's instructions to maintain their condition and prevent the spread of plant diseases. Garden gloves are designed with textured palms or fingers that improve grip on tools and garden materials. This feature enhances precision and control when planting seeds, handling delicate seedlings, or maneuvering gardening equipment. The enhanced grip reduces the likelihood of accidentally dropping tools or plants, facilitating smoother and more efficient gardening tasks. Number 4. Garden hoe. When it comes to gardening, a garden hoe is utilized for weeding, cultivating soil, and creating planting rows. Draw hoes, stirrup hoes, and scuffle hoes are some of the numerous varieties of hoes that are available. Each of these hoes is designed to do a particular purpose. Make sure the hoe you choose has a handle that is easy to hold and a blade that is constructed of a material that is resistant to rust. When the blade of the hoe is sharp, it is easier to cut through the dirt and the weeds. When you use the hoe in a back and forth motion, you may effectively remove weeds and loosen the soil, which will reduce the amount of chemical herbicides that are required. Number 3. Garden rake. When it comes to leveling the soil, removing waste, and spreading mulch or compost, a garden rake is a very handy tool. Leaf rakes and bough rakes are the two forms that are most commonly used. In contrast to bough rakes, which are more robust and are better suited for working soil and moving heavier materials, leaf rakes are extremely lightweight and are perfect for collecting leaves and other light waste. Make sure the rake you choose has a handle that is easy to hold and tines that are long-lasting and resistant to rust. If you want to ensure that the surface is even, you could use a gently sweeping motion to collect leaves or smooth soil. Number 2. Spade. When it comes to digging, edging, and lifting sod, a spade is an indispensable tool. Because it has a blade that is both flat and sharp, it is perfect for cutting through soil and roots. You should look for a spade that has a blade that is durable and resistant to rust, as well as a grip that is comfortable and has sufficient leverage. Because of their endurance and resistance to rust, blades made of stainless steel are the material of your choice. Make sure to keep your back straight and use your foot to force the spade into the ground. This will help you prevent getting hurt. Maintaining the blade's effectiveness requires that it be constantly cleaned and sharpened. Number 1. Garden kneeler and seat. The combination of a garden kneeler and seat offers greater comfort and support, hence minimizing the amount of pressure placed on your knees and back. The usage of this tool is very beneficial for extended periods of gardening. Try to find a design that is not only strong but also collapsible and can be conveniently packed and moved. The kneeler ought to have cushioning that is sturdy and comfy, and it ought to be elevated to the point that it lifts your knees off the ground. In the event that it is turned over, it can function as a seat, so offering a handy place to relax. If you need assistance getting up, you can use the side handles, and you should make sure the kneeler is set on sturdy ground to avoid it from toppling over. Outro. With the right tools at your side, gardening becomes not just a task, but a joyful and rewarding adventure. Each essential tool we've covered plays a crucial role in helping your plants flourish and your garden thrive. Equipped with these essentials, you'll be ready to tackle any gardening challenge and enjoy the beauty and bounty of your green space all year round. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up and let me know what other topics you'd like to see covered in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.